It's nearly my dad's birthday.
I've got a great idea! We could make mermaid squishies!
And we have so many cool things to add. Look how awesome these are. Come on, let's go.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Hey, Flounder, it's my dad's birthday soon.
Ooh, what are you gonna get him?
Well, I don't know. He already has all the treasure in the ocean.
What about this?
I don't think so, Flounder.
All right, okay, oh, everyone needs one of these.
You're right, Flounder, but I think he's already got one. Oh, I need a really good idea.
I have an amazing idea! Let's make mermaid squishies for him!
That's a great idea, Phoebe, but I don't have anything to make squishies.
Well, I know someone who can help with that. Fizzy! Did someone say mermaid squishies? Awesome sauce! Come on, let's play the dish drop game and win those squishy materials! Alright, but I don't see any dish drop game. Time for some Fizzy Magic! Fizzy, Wizzy, Wizzy Pop! Ta-da! Now all we need is a hand from Miss Hands.
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. Whoa, look at this. It's my favorite, the dish drop game. But what are we playing for?
We need to win materials to make a squishy for Ariel's dad's birthday.
All right, time to drop that disc.
Woohoo!
All right, time to find out where it's gonna land. Here we go. Oh. Let's see. Hopefully this one lands on a color. All right, it landed on blue. Okay, time to see what's inside the blue box. I can hear something. Whoa, look at that! We've got some sparkly, pretty stars. And whoa, it's some mermaid confetti. That's gonna look awesome inside our squishy. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. Can I drop the next one? Of course you can, Ariel. All right, time to drop that disc. All right, it landed in the black box. Quick, Miss Hands, could you open it? Of course I can, Ariel. All right, time to find out what's inside the black box. Oh, I hope it's something good. Whoa, look at that. We've got some mermaid stickers, and this is an octopus with some glasses. Whoa, that's so silly. These are so cute. We could definitely put these into our squishies.
Miss Hands! Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Can I have a go? Please, 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 please!
Of course you can, Phoebe.
Woohoo! Awesome sauce! All right, time to drop that desk! Miss Hands?
Yes, Phoebe?
That didn't work.
I know, Phoebe, but that's all right. We'll give it another go.
All right, time to drop that desk! Woohoo! It landed on the yellow box! Quick, Miss Hands, open it! Open it!
All right, Phoebe. Let's see. Whoa, that sounds super noisy. What's inside? Oh, the yellow box. That lid is super tight. Whoa, that went everywhere. All right, let's take a look. We've got some magical squishy powder. That's gonna be super useful. And whoa, some more mermaid stickers. These are so bright and colorful. I love them. These are gonna look super cute in our squishies.
Miss Hands, we're halfway through.
That's right, Fizzy. Did you want to have a go?
Oh, yes, please, Miss Hands. Time to drop that desk! All right, it landed in the red box. Miss Hands, could you open it?
Of course I can, Fizzy. Awesome sauce! All right, time to find out what's inside the red box. But can you hear that? That sounds super noisy. Okay, I wonder what it is. Whoa! It's some colorful glitter. Oh my goodness, we've got a super cute purple. Then, wow, I think this is my favorite. A super cute blue and a pink. Oh, these are gonna look so cute in our squishies. Hey, Flounder.
Yes, Miss Hands?
Would you like to have a go?
Woohoo! All right. Okay, a drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen of the fishy underworld, it's time to drop that desk! Woohoo! It landed on green like the seaweed. I love seaweed. Miss Hands, please could you open it?
Of course, Flounder. All right. No, can't really hear anything. Let's see if there's anything inside. I hope there is. All right, we've got our squishy skins. We're gonna need those to make squishies. We've only got one more box left, the orange box. Miss Hands, I think it's time to drop that desk. Yay, we did it! It landed on the orange box. Time to find out. Whoa, that's super noisy. All right, let's see what's inside of here. We've got, oh, cute, some mini confetti stars. They're super colorful. I love them. And there's something else inside. Whoa, we've got a blue and a yellow food dye. That's gonna look awesome inside of our squishies. I can't wait.
Woohoo! We did it! We got everything we need. Awesome sauce! Does that mean it's time to make the squishies? Sure does. Time for some Fizzy Magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Fizzy Bop.
Wow, this looks awesome. My dad is gonna love it. What do we need to do first, Miss Hands? First up, we need to add 1 scoop of our magical squishy powder. Now, what would you like to add first, Ariel? Oh, can we add some mermaid glitter? My dad loves glitter. Of course we can. All right, mermaid glitter going inside.
Miss Hands, add some blue food dye to make it blue like the ocean. I love the ocean.
Good idea, Phoebe. All right, I'm gonna add some drops of blue in there. Now for some sparkly magical stars. Some pink glitter. Could we add some blue glitter as well? That's gonna look so sparkly. And you know what? Let's put some purple glitter in as well. Then it looks just like the colors of your mermaid tail.
Ariel, why don't you add some of those mermaid stickers? That would look awesome for your dad's squishy.
Great idea, Fizzy. Miss Hands, please could you add some of the lighter mermaid stickers? Of course. That's it. We've got everything that we need. You're right, Ariel. Now it's time to tie it up and see what it looks like. Wow! Wow, look at that mermaid squishy. It's so incredible. It's so blue and sparkly, just like the ocean. I love it. What do you think, Ariel? I think my dad is gonna love it. Oh, thank you, Fizzy and Phoebe, and thank you, Miss Hands, for all your help. That's all right, Ariel.
Oh, can I make one now, please? Yeah, we can put Flounder in a squishy.
Phoebe, we can't put Flounder inside a squishy,
Aww.
but we could make a Flounder-themed squishy.
All right.
Let's add some yellow and blue food coloring so it looks just like me. Great idea, Flounder. Thanks, Miss Hands. Couple of drops of blue food coloring. And now some yellow. I wonder what color that's gonna make. Oh, let's finish it off with some of those super pretty, sparkly stars. Great idea, Flounder. All right, in they go. Now it's time to tie it up and see what it looks like. Whoa, look how cool your squishy looks, Flounder. The blue and the yellow food coloring has made it this awesome green. There's your sticker. What do you think, Flounder? I think it's awesome. That went swimmingly.
Woohoo! Mermaid squishies are the best thing ever!
These squishies are amazing. Flounder, I love yours. You did such a good job. And my dad is gonna love his birthday squishy. Aw, thanks, Ariel. That was so much fun. It sure was, Flounder. What's the matter, Ariel? If only Fizzy and Phoebe's magic could make me human too.
Mine can! Phoebe, Phoebe, Bo-Bee-Bop!
Oh no! Ariel!
Don't worry, Flounder. I'll fix it. Time for some Fizzy Magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo-Bee-Bop!
Whew! Oh my goodness! Thank you, Fizzy! You know what? I think I'm good staying as a mermaid.
Oops. Sorry, Ariel.
That's alright, Phoebe. You didn't mean to. Thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe, for all your help. I've had the best time ever. But I think it's time I go give my birthday squishy to my dad.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo-Bizzy Bop.